Hi everyone, Patty from the studio. I'm out in beautiful Las Vegas, my home away from home, doing some R&R, and that included some thrifting because I find that relaxing. So I went to one of the Goodwills around here. We don't have any Goodwills by me in New York, so it's always fun to come out here and see what the local Goodwills have, and I got some nice goodies this morning. So very happy about that. So let's go check out my haul, and don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, get notified, and all those fun things. Thanks for stopping by. Let's get hauling. So here's my haul from today's visit at Goodwill, Las Vegas. So let's see what I picked up and why. Let's start with this little rooster bowl. It's not vintage, but actually I bought it for myself because it matches our kitchen decor here. So I picked that up because it was cute. And it was $3.99 before discount. I get 20% off everything, and then anything today with an orange tag was 50% off. So here's a nice orange tag item. Picked up these 2 plates for $1.50, and they're Pier 1. And obviously they're not vintage. I liked the graphic design on them, but also unfortunately Pier 1 is not around anymore, so some of their items have been gaining some value. And then this was also an orange tag, so this was $1.50, and it's for baking, I think Madeleines they're called, those cookies. You can use it for anything, but that's what it's originally made for. So that was $1.50, and on the back somewhere it says made in France. So I thought that was kind of cool. So that's why I got that. Then this little tumbler or shot glass, it was $2 before discount, and it says limited edition, made in Denmark. I have to do some more Googling on that. But I liked the mark on it, and I thought the design was just very cute. And again, it was $2. So a little, I guess, shot glass or tumbler, you'd call it. I thought it was pretty. I liked blue and white, like always. Then this little planter or vase was $2, and it's from... holding it upside down, sorry, Pottery in Tennessee, Sevierville. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but I have a couple of pieces at home of this pottery, and I just really like the matte glaze and then the hand painting. All of their work is pretty similar with the hand painted trees. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this myself to add it to my collection of these pots that I already have. So, again, $2, and I have to try to be careful to not get too much because a lot of stuff I end up shipping home, and that adds a lot of pricey things. Then I do very well with these plastic mirrors. So there were 2 different sets. This one was $6. It's a set of 3, and they're lightweight and easy to hang. And I've sold these probably 4 times over the last couple of months. Whenever I find them, I pick them up. They're plastic, not vintage, but from a wall decor, they do very well. Then this piece I'm keeping, just like a wooden wall hanging. I loved the color. I liked the detail, and I thought it would look pretty hanging on a wall. And that was $5 before discount. So it's nice. Somebody had put all the little hanger tags on it already. But I just really liked it. It spoke to me, as they say. Then this is a little Tonala owl from Mexico. Ceramic. And I always pick these up when I find them because I do well with them. They're just very pretty, very desirable. And again, it was $4. So I said, yes, please, to the little owl. And I don't know if I'm going to be shipping everything home this trip, so things may take a while to appear. Then these items are cherished teddies. They don't have a huge resale value, but they were each 50% off. So $2.50 each box. And I like that they were in a box and they're dated. And, you know, each one has got a different little theme. 1994. It's my son's birth year, so he's considered vintage. He'll love to hear this. So again, I picked up 3 boxes, and I got this one was a little more. It was $3, but it's Thanksgiving. So I'm starting to put things aside for the holidays back at home. This kind of glass egg reminded me of Millefiore beading. I don't think this is vintage. It's got no mark on it that I have found. But I thought it was just very pretty. Very different. And it was a little high, $8. And again, I'm not sure if I'm going to ship this home or keep it here, because I thought it was just pretty. I loved the neutral colors. Very nice. Unusual. Put that off to the side. Then this beauty, I got to step back. It's about 18 inches tall. Very good condition. And I just loved, excuse my dirty kitchen, I just loved this piece. I loved everything about it. And this was a purchase for me. It's a lightweight metal, tribal art. To fix his earring. It's very dirty and dusty, but it was $10 before discount. But I love this piece. This is staying here. Not sure where I'm going to put them yet, but I thought it was exquisite. Very cool. I was very happy when I found that. Then these 2 vases. There's no marking, but there is kind of a sticker residue, which makes me think not old. However, they were $4 each before discount. But they're in, I think they call it sgraffito style of pottery, where they kind of take a tool and they carve into the wet clay to create these type of designs. Sgraffito. So I thought they were just a really pretty set. And whether I sell them separately or as a set, I haven't decided. So we shall see. But I loved the black and white and that sgraffito. And there were no chips, no cracks. But again, you can see there's kind of a sticker residue. So who knows? These could have even been Target. Regardless, I liked it. Then this is a foil photograph. And I had one of these in my shop a couple of months ago, and it sold. And it sold well. So I picked this up for $4, but it was 50 off, so $2. There's a couple of little wrinkles in the top, which I had on the piece I had. But, you know, it looks like a little fishing village, Italy, maybe. There is a very, very faint signature, which I'll look at. But I thought it was pretty, and I love the kind of iridescent to the foil. And that's why I got that. And then this piece of art caught my eye. It was $3.99. It's very dusty and dirty. So I don't know if that's inside or outside. But it's like a folk art theorem painting kind of piece. And it is signed and numbered, which sometimes leads to good things, but I believe this is called theorem painting. I think. And then it's got some like embossing on the paper. But, you know, I love that it's titled, numbered, and signed. Pretty. Then the last two items I found in the clothing. I don't always get a lot of clothing, but a couple of pieces that were 50 off is this pretty dress, sleeveless, it's kind of short skirted, but I thought it was just very pretty. It's by Purple Snow, and it was $4.50 because it was half off. And I like kind of I think they called this illusion lace, where, you know, you kind of look like you're not wearing anything underneath the lace. This is not that subtle. It's a pretty heavy kind of jersey. But I thought that was sweet. Might be nice for a summer party for someone. And then the final piece is another dress, and it's with the original tag from a company called Silk. I don't know anything about them, but it was just a very pretty kind of boho print dress. I'm not really doing it well one-handed. And again, that was also $4.50. Just very, it's got long sleeves with a really deep back, flattering, kind of an empire waist treatment. And I loved the color, the material. It's like a soft jersey. And I forgot what I was going to say. Anywho, but it's got the new tag. So 48 is Miso print fitted dress. So it's got some SKUs and I can look it up. And it's easy to pack. And I love the colors and I love the styling. So that's why I got that. So pretty good. I only got a couple of things for myself. So thanks for watching, and if you liked everything you saw, please give me a thumbs up, hit the bell for notifications, and subscribe and comment. And I will see you later from the studio. Stay well, everyone.